Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best RV entrance doors is probably one of the most important components of your RV, acting as the primary point of entry and exit. Choosing the right one can significantly impact your RV experience. In this video, we'll dive into the top RV entrance doors available, exploring their features, benefits, and what makes each one stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your next upgrade. Number 5. Jobsite Boot Scrubber, Outdoor Shoe Scraper. Introducing the Jobsite Boot Scrubber. This extra-wide design is built to handle even the largest boots, making it perfect for any job site or outdoor activity. It's the ultimate solution for keeping your shoes clean. Forget about complicated installations. This boot scrubber features side step plates that keep it securely in place without the need for bolting it down. It's ready to use right out of the box. This boot scrubber is built tough. Heavy-duty, high-density composite molded plastic sides and a welded metal frame ensure it can withstand all weather conditions without rotting or cracking. You can rely on it for years to come. Unlike other brands that use wood, this scrubber features heavy-duty plastic edges that won't rot or crack when exposed to wet conditions or extreme temperatures. It's designed to endure whatever the weather throws at it. Built tough by the brand that works, Jobsite is a trusted brand. This product is made by a Michigan-based small business, so you can trust its quality and durability. What we like. This boot scrubber's extra-wide design means it can handle even the biggest boots. Its durable composite material ensures it can withstand all weather conditions. If you have a large family or work outdoors, this is the perfect solution to keep your entrance clean. You'll appreciate how easy it is to use and how well it keeps the dirt outside. What people say. Super sturdy, fits all shoe sizes in our house and hasn't rusted while outside for over 1 year. Well made and does a great job. Even comes with the hardware to anchor it to the floor slab at the doorway. Works really well for removing stuff stuck to sides and soles. No mounting needed, the step on the wings design is great. Number 4. Kohree RV Door Lock Replacement. This RV door lock from Kohree is crafted with 100% zinc alloy, ensuring high hardness and durability. The classic square design showcases the designer's ingenuity. It feels great in your hand and is easy to open. Made with a thickened solid base and IPX3 waterproof material, this lock is built for long-term outdoor use. It's designed to provide years of dependable service, no matter the weather. Unlike locks made with plastic or zinc plus aluminum, this 100% zinc alloy lock can withstand greater tensile force. This means a longer lifespan and greater security for your RV. This versatile door lock fits most RV doors with a hole cutout of 2.67 foot x 3.6 and door thickness from 1.25 to 1.5. It's suitable for travel trailers, campers, and various other types of trailers. The Kohree camper door lock comes with everything you need for installation, including longer screws to meet different installation requirements. It's designed to be easy to install. Featuring a built-in deadbolt and back locking function, this trailer door latch offers superior security. The smooth switch and mute design ensure quiet and reliable operation, protecting your belongings and your safety. What we like. This RV door lock is made of 100% zinc alloy material, ensuring durability and security. It also features a built-in deadbolt for added protection. If you are looking for a secure and reliable lock for your RV, this is the one. It's easy to install and provides peace of mind on the road. What people say. This RV door lock feels incredibly solid and well made. The zinc alloy construction gives me confidence it'll last, and the paddle deadbolt operates smoothly. Easy to install and works perfectly. Fits perfectly, the finish is very nice, and the keys work smoothly. Has worked all season without issue for me. Fits just like the OEM and works even better. Very smooth operating locks and handle. No more slamming door to get a tight seal. I can close it with one finger now and looks nice too. Number 3. Jobsite Boot Scraper, Outdoor Shoe Cleaner. Tired of tracking dirt into your home? This boot scraper, as seen on TV, is the perfect solution. It's freestanding, portable, and incredibly easy to use. This cleaner is designed to tackle the toughest messes. The built-in brushes effectively remove snow, ice, mud, and dirt. All the debris falls between the bristles for easy cleaning. Built to last, this scraper is made with high-density plastic. It can withstand up to 250 pounds without bending or breaking. You can rely on it for years to come. The low-profile brushes are perfectly designed for cleaning the sides and edges of your shoes and boots. It fits shoes up to size 13, ensuring a thorough clean without any scratches. This product is built tough by Jobsite, the brand that works. It's made by a Michigan-based small business, so you know you're getting quality and reliability. What we like. This boot cleaner is the best at removing dirt and debris from your shoes. Its sturdy construction can withstand up to 250 pounds. If you like a simple, effective way to keep your floors clean, consider this. It's easy to use and will make a big difference in keeping your home tidy. What people say. It's very heavy duty and good quality to be able to stand on one side and scrub your feet on the other. First of all, it's well made, and uses a heavy-duty plastic material for the frame instead of wood. It scrubs the bottoms and the sides of your shoes with ease. Number 2. Smiry Triangle Door Mat. This Smiry door mat is designed to effectively trap dirt, gravel, mud, and sand. The woven polyester fabric and deep grooves ensure that it keeps your home dry and clean, even in bad weather. The sturdy beveled rubber edge prevents water accumulation. Made with good quality natural rubber, this mat is built to last. It's resistant to tearing and can withstand all weather conditions. The material is odorless and fade resistant, ensuring it remains in good condition for a long time. The non-slip rubber liner provides a strong grip, preventing the mat from sliding. Its low-profile design makes it suitable for most entrances, allowing doors to open and close smoothly. It also protects your floor from water and mud damage. Cleaning this door mat is simple. You can sweep it, vacuum it, or rinse it with a hose. For a deeper clean, use a washing machine, but avoid bleach or fabric softeners. Then, just air dry it. This classic design doormat is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Place it at your doorway, terrace, or any entrance to keep your home clean. It's also a thoughtful gift for family and friends. What we like. This door mat is designed to absorb moisture and dirt, keeping your home clean and dry. It's made from sturdy, non-fading materials and features a non-slip design. If you are looking for a reliable and stylish doormat for your entrance, this is a great choice. It's easy to clean and will last for years. What people say. It does a great job catching dirt and mud before anyone steps inside, and it's super easy to shake out or rinse clean. The non-slip backing keeps it securely in place, and the material feels built to last. Nice firm mat for the front door. Has a waterproof back so moisture doesn't go through and damage the floor. The rubber border keeps the edges flat and allow the robot vacuum to access the mat to keep it clean. Number 1. UBDYO 2-pack Outdoor Entrance Door Mat. This 2-pack door mat is designed to save you time. It effectively traps dirt and dust from your shoes, keeping your home cleaner with minimal effort. The rubber backing ensures the mat stays in place, even with heavy foot traffic. It keeps your floors clean and dry, providing safety and protection. With its low-profile design, it fits perfectly under any door without getting stuck. It's ideal for back doors, laundry rooms, and garage entryways. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply spray it with water and shake it off. You can also vacuum or wash it in warm water for a deeper clean. Welcome guests with a stylish touch. This mat adds a nice aesthetic to your home's entrance, making it more inviting. What we like. This set of door mats comes in a convenient 2-pack. They are designed to prevent leaking and slipping, ensuring safety and cleanliness. If you like a practical and stylish solution for your entrances, consider these. They're easy to clean and will add a nice touch to your home. What people say. These mats work as anticipated. They're sturdy enough to lie flat at patio, outside, and garage, inside, entrance doors and don't slide around. The mat's material structure works well to scrape debris from shoes and minimize dirt tracked inside. They're easy to sweep or hose clean. So far they are good at cleaning the bottoms of even the most lugged soles. They look durable and are the perfect size. The mats are strong and durable yet easy to move around even after a rainstorm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.